This chocolate avocado smoothie will keep you full till lunch. What's better than the luscious combo of chocolate and avocado? That's right, absolutely nothing. And not only does this smoothie deliver incredible taste and texture, it's also a nutritional powerhouse, with plenty of protein, fat, and fiber to keep you full all morning. Serves 2, 1 ripe avocado, pitted. 1/2 frozen banana. 1/2 c unsweetened coconut milk beverage. 1/4 c unsweetened cocoa powder or toasted carob powder. 1/2 c chopped kale. 1/2 teaspoon stevia, optional. 1 scoop vegan protein powder, optional. 1 c ice. Place all ingredients into a high-powered blender and blend until smooth. Serve immediately.